Many students think English is only in school. They think, I need a class, I need a book, I need a teacher. But that is not true. English is not just in the classroom. English is everywhere. You see it every day. You hear it every day. You touch it, you read it, and sometimes you even speak it. But you don't notice. Why? Because your brain says, that's not study. But it is. Real learning is not only in school. Real learning is in your life. If you open your eyes, you will see English all around you. Look around your home. What do you see? Maybe a shampoo bottle. What does it say? Strong hair for dry skin. New formula. That is English. Maybe your phone has words like settings, update, notifications. That is English too. Maybe your shirt has words. Just do it. Forever young. That's also English. These are not just random words. These are small lessons. These are small teachers. If you read them, say them, and understand them, you are learning slowly every day. One student told me, Teacher, I cannot find time to study English. I asked her, do you listen to music? She said yes. I asked, do you use Instagram, YouTube, TikTok? She laughed and said yes. I told her, then you already see English every day. She was surprised. She hadn't thought about that before, but it's true. Many songs are in English. Many videos have English titles. Comments are in English. Messages, jokes, stories, they're full of real English. You don't need to search. It's already there. Another student named Arif worked in a shop. Every day, customers came and bought things. Many products had English labels. Sale, buy one, get one. Fresh, made in USA. He saw these words but never said them. I told him, say them out loud. Every time you see a word, read it, speak it. He started doing it. In 1 month, his reading got faster. His speaking got better. He didn't change his job. He just opened his eyes and used what he saw. You don't need to wait for a class. Your class is your life. Your teacher is the world around you. When you walk on the street, look at signs. When you go to the store, read the boxes. When you listen to a song, try to catch one word. When you scroll your phone, stop at one English sentence and say it. That is real practice. And it's free. It's easy. You just need to notice it. So today, look around. Find 10 things with English on them. Say the words. Say them again. Try to understand. Smile when you find one. Say, this is my English today and tomorrow. Do it again. Small steps, small words, but big results. Because English is not far. It is not hidden. It is right there with you. You just need to open your eyes and your mouth. Chapter 2. Speak what you see. Now that you know English is everywhere, the next step is to use it. You must speak what you see. When you see a word in English, don't just read it in your mind. Say it with your mouth. Speak it, even if you're alone, even if it feels strange. This small action is very powerful. It makes your brain strong. It helps you remember the word, and it helps you speak English better. You don't need a big sentence. You don't need a long time. You just need one word, spoken out loud. Let's say you see a milk box that says fresh milk. Don't just look and move on. Say it. Fresh milk. Then say more. This is fresh milk. Then a little more. I drink fresh milk every day. Look, you made a full sentence just from 2 words on a box. This is how learning works. It starts small. It becomes big. You turn everyday English into your English. That is the secret. I had a student named Sanaa. She was very shy. She never spoke in class, but I gave her a small challenge. Every day, speak 5 English words you see. She said, I don't know what to say. I said, just say what you see. So she started, strong tea, open door, low battery. That was all, just short phrases. But after 2 weeks, she added more. My phone has low battery. I like strong tea. This door is open. 1 month later, she gave a short talk in English just because she started speaking what she saw. This method works for everyone. If you're cooking, read the labels and speak. Salt, sugar, boil water. If you're using your phone, say what you touch. Open app. Send message. Low battery. If you go outside, look at signs. No parking. Fresh fruit. Fast food. Say it all. Say it slowly. Say it again. This is practice. This is learning, and it's easy. When you speak what you see, your mouth and brain work together. You see the word. You hear the word. You feel the word in your mouth. That's 3 ways to remember it. And when you do it again and again, your brain says, yes, I know this. Then, when you need the word in real life, it comes fast. You don't need to think. You just speak. That is how you become fluent. So today, don't just look. Speak. When you see a word in English, say it. Make a small sentence. Don't wait. Don't plan. Just do it. Your world is full of English, and your voice is ready to use it. Every word you see is a gift. Every time you speak, you grow. So speak what you see and make English your own.